Good morning. So, I have some exciting news. I own a sewing machine again. That's awesome. I'm gonna sew so fast now, you won't even believe it. I changed my mind so many times on what I was gonna do for this project, but I've settled on something because I gave a few patterns to my husband and I said, pick one, and then pick a fabric. And so he kind of chose what I'm doing this week. And you know, sometimes that's what you gotta do. So what I am making are some overalls, like a reproduction of a Jiffy pattern from the 60s. I'm gonna be making these little shorts because I've put on like a little bit of weight and like all of my shorts are now too tight on me. And you know, I'd like to have some shorts again that are a bit not going to cut off circulation. That's no fun. So yeah, I'm gonna make some cute little overall shorts. Okay, it's probably ironed good. Always unplug your iron after you use it. It's just safe practice, you know? Scratch you in a little bit. Okay, let's see. So I have about where they should meet. And there's a good chance this isn't going to be exact, but that's okay. This is a handmade garment. Nothing needs to be exact. Ugh. There. And that. Okay. And now I'm going to go sew on this pocket, and I will be right back once that's all sewn on. And I think while I'm sewing this, I'm just gonna finish off my little belt. So it had me cut two pieces and sew them together. And then we're just gonna fold it in half, right sides facing together. And you know, stitch it, make a big long tube. And then pull it inside out, stitch it all up, call it a day. So I'm gonna do that, put on this pocket. Come on up. Oh, good boy. Oh, good boy. Oh, my good baby. Well, I'm all done again. This was smooth sailing, what with the sewing machine and all that fun stuff. I do have a couple small things that if I were to ever make this pattern again, I would make sure I do beforehand, like getting a longer zipper. This one's just like a couple inches too short, but I really did not want to go out and buy a new zipper for this, so I just used what I had, and it's fine. It all fits well, so that's always a good thing. I forgot to check my button placement, but also that's fine. These are just kind of tacked on. You can't see him, Amadeus' little head is in the way. There's no buttonholes, so you just kind of sew right through them, and that's an easy enough fix that I can do in like 2 minutes tomorrow morning if I feel like it. Everything else is great though. I like this fabric. It's pretty cute, I think. You may have noticed that I switched out my thread and just didn't mention it to you. I decided that I wanted it to have like just a little bit of pink in there because my buttons have pink flowers with green leaves. So I thought adding a little bit of a pink thread might tie it all together a bit more. And I think it did. I think it's nice. I think it's cute. It's very comfortable. I went out to Target for a few moments wearing this, and I was oh so comfy. It was nice and cool. I did not feel like I was gonna, you know, sweat through my clothes, which happens sometimes in summer. Yeah. All in all, very fun, very easy, super doable. If you want to try, you should. I just found the pattern at Joann's, and I used cotton. Cotton fabric's great, you know? It's durable and not sweaty. Breathable, that's the word I'm looking for. And yeah, I don't know what I'll be doing for my next video, but you'll find out with me, I guess. And, you know, if you want to stick around and watch me try to make things, consider subscribing. And if you'd like to, I would enjoy it, I think, if you left a comment and a like on this video. Yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.